Purchasing premium jewelry is a uniquely emotional decision. For centuries, securing a diamond or a piece of fine gold meant sitting across a glass counter, handling the materials, and seeing exactly how the light catches the facets in person. But the showroom comes with physical constraints. A boutique only holds so many pieces in the vault. The overhead spotlights heavily alter how a sapphire or ruby actually looks. You end up trying on a fraction of a collection, hoping one happens to fit your style. Shopping online strips away the physical limits, but it forces a massive cognitive leap. You are looking at a flawless piece on a professional model, and you have to somehow imagine how those specific proportions and metals will look against your own jawline and skin tone. You are left choosing between digital convenience and physical reality. Until recently, bridging that gap in the luxury market simply wasn't possible. Smartphone cameras and early augmented reality apps attempted to solve this by acting as a digital mirror. This animated diagram illustrates the core problem with that approach, the AR sticker effect. Standard digital overlays lack geometric awareness. A two-dimensional graphic cannot seamlessly wrap around a three-dimensional object. The depth is wrong, the lighting ignores the environment, and the result is entirely flat. Standard generative AI swings too far in the other direction. It requires you to act as a prompt engineer, typing commands to render realistic lighting, and in the process, it often redraws your face or alters your surroundings entirely. Buyers require exact physical realism applied to their actual likeness, and they need it without having to write a line of code. Aurelium abandons both the flat AR overlays and the prompt-heavy text boxes. Instead of typing out material requirements, you upload a portrait and select from curated aesthetics. You choose categories like bridal heirloom or minimal elegance. The system automatically reads that choice and translates a simple vibe into a highly complex, photorealistic generation of premium metals and stones. By translating high-level aesthetic themes into precise technical renderings, the system handles the visual curation automatically. This removes the need for the user to understand jewelry design or lighting physics, mirroring the streamlined experience of working with a personal stylist. The technical challenge lies in generating a realistic 3D object onto a 2D photograph, while preserving the subject's exact identity. Aurelium's context-aware AI scans the portrait, building a structural wireframe map of the jawline and neck. It calculates posture with intersecting vector lines to determine gravity's angle, ensuring objects hang naturally. Finally, it identifies the primary light source to project accurate shadows. The AI strictly limits its edits to those mapped coordinates. It intelligently integrates the gold and diamonds while leaving your expression, your posture, and the background of your room entirely intact. Isolating spatial coordinates and matching environmental data removes the artificial feel common in digital try-ons. The resulting portrait holds the visual weight of a luxury catalog shoot. Because the rendering process eliminates the manual steps of traditional selection, the way people shop shifts from guessing to instant comparison. You can line up dramatically different pieces side by side in seconds. You can swap platinum for gold or drop an emerald in place of a sapphire to see exactly how it complements your specific skin tone, without being limited by what a physical store actually has in stock. Finding the right piece becomes a process of rapid exploration, occurring entirely on your own screen and on your own terms. Stripping away the need for imagination means buyers know how a premium piece wears before they ever schedule an in-person viewing. For the jewelry industry, this acts as a new layer of commercial architecture. Brands can digitize their entire archives, opening up their rarest, highest-end inventory for global, high-fidelity virtual try-ons. A consultant can conduct a private bridal session over video, pulling dozens of heirloom designs for a client to wear in real time, without a single physical diamond in the room. The uncertainty of wondering if a piece truly suits your presence is being replaced by the certainty of having already seen the physical truth digitally.